Hi, this is Kathleen Myers, and my project is with the Animal Care and Control Team, or ACCT for short, with the Trap, Neuter, and Return services for our Philadelphia community cats. TNR is the process of humanely trapping and transporting community cats for spay and neuter services, and returning them to the outdoor home where they were trapped. Community cat is any outdoor cat, whether it be an abandoned stray, a free-roaming cat, or a feral cat. When you see a stray cat, you can borrow a humane trap from ACCT and set it, and you can see how easy it is in this brief video. So you put the food on the one end, slide the door down, and clip the little lock so that they can't escape. And then you go around to the front, and there are two rings that you pull up, and then there's a little latch that you slide up, and it holds the door open. These are a few cats that I have trapped in the last few months, and 2 out of the 4 were right in my backyard. I transported them to ACCT, which is located at 111 West Hunting Park Ave in Philadelphia. ACCT provides free services for spay and neuter, and they also vaccinate, deworm, and deflea. You have the option of picking up the cat and transporting it back to where you trapped it, or you can have ACCT return the cat for you at the address you provide. This is the paperwork that ACCT provides with the cat's name, weight, approximate age, and the services provided, which would be either neuter or spay, as well as show which vaccinations were provided. And again, all these services are provided free for the cats of Philadelphia. Reasons to TNR are: it is the only proven way to humanely reduce the community cat population. It saves females from becoming sick with pyometra, which is inflammation of the uterus and can be deadly if not treated in time. You might trap a raccoon or a possum, and you can just let them go humanely as well. Some people stereotype us women who like to take care of cats as crazy cat ladies, but we're just normal people who want to help out the cats that are outside. Catadelphia, one of the organizations in Philadelphia, based out of Germantown, held a winter cat shelter build and showed people of different cultures, races, and social classes how to build the shelters for the community cats. As you can see, there were men, women, and children willing to help out these cats, as well as people with disabilities. It's estimated that there are 400,000 homeless cats on the street of Philadelphia alone. Cats can produce at least 2 to 3 litters per year, from 1 to 6 kittens average. And TNR services help control this population. Here's a few names of rescues that can help out when a cat is in need. I really enjoyed this project because I love animals. And these are my sources.